Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and also personalize the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. So today guys, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be doing the hairstyle that is on my thumbnail. So you want to go ahead and section your hair half up, half down, exactly as I am doing. My hair is washed. It has a little bit of growth, and then I moisturized it just a bit. And then you want to go ahead and tie your the back, the hair that you the hair that you sectioned at the back, using your ribbon like that. Don't make it too tight because it can be painful, especially when you are doing like the 3 buns that I'm doing right now. You want to go ahead and do the middle parting exactly as I am doing, dividing the upper part of your head, tying the hair into 2 buns exactly as I am doing. So I went ahead and checked if I'm still in the right track. This is how I check the back. I use a mirror, and obviously I have another mirror in front of me, so that helps me track if I'm still in the right track. So you want to go ahead and tie your first bun with your ribbon. Also, don't make it too tight because we're still going to put like extensions on, so make it a little bit loose. Don't make it too tight. And then you want to go ahead and tie the second bun like that, using the ribbon. Now please do not make it too tight because it can be painful, and we're still going to put on hair extensions, so make it a little bit loose. And then and then this is how you section your hair. And then you want to go ahead and braid the ponytails that you've created with your own hair. You braid it like that so that your hair doesn't disturb you when you apply your styling gel. You braid all 3 of them. So yeah guys, my hair has grown. I'm so happy. I am so happy. It has recovered very well. So yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so much happy, and it stopped breaking. Like, yeah, I've been taking good care of my hair. So you want to go ahead and take your Dark and Lovely 48-hour styling gel. It smells so good. It's my first time trying this styling gel. It smells so amazing, you guys, and it's not flaking. Like today I have now that I'm doing this voiceover, it's been a week since I had this hairstyle on. I thought this styling gel is going to flake and all that. Nah, it's not flaking at all, and I like the fact that it's not shiny. It gives you the illusion that I don't have any gel on, and it has that natural effect on my hair. You know, once it's dried, it doesn't look like I have any styling gel on. You'd swear that I just slicked my hair and I didn't apply any kind of product on. That's what I like about the styling gel. Also, I like the fact that I applied the styling gel on hair that has hair food and that is moisturized, and it didn't do any white thingies, so that was a bonus. So you want to go ahead and take your hair dryer to dry the styling gel using hot heat. So that's what you do, and then you want to go ahead and roll down the first bun and then secure it by sewing it in so that it doesn't disturb you when you put on your afro extensions. So yeah guys, and then now I am using this packet. I'm only gonna use one packet of this to do this whole hairstyle. So yeah guys, I'm gonna take 4 strands of this hair to create the first bun. As you can see, it's 4 strands of this hair, and then you want to go ahead and roll it around your bun. It's as easy as that, you guys. You don't need to be able to braid in order for you to be able to do this hairstyle. It's a very simple and easy hairstyle to do at home. And today I decided not to do edges. I just slicked my hair and then did like the side ones only. So I went for like a simple natural-ish hairstyle. So yeah, and then you want to go ahead and secure your bun by sewing it in using your wool. It is important that you sew in your hair, especially if you want to last for a week or more with the hairstyle. So yeah, but if you don't want to last, you're only doing it for look, it's a one-day look, you can just use your bobby pins. But I want to last for like a week, so yeah, for like a week. So yeah, I've decided to secure it by sewing it in. So guys, this hairstyle is cute. It was my first attempt. I don't normally use kinky hair. I always use straight bonding or yucky braids and all that. So it was my first time creating a look using a kinky braid hair fiber. So yeah guys, you want to go ahead and do what you did with the other bun. You do exactly the same thing. So yeah, and also guys, when you sew in the hair, do not pull your hair, the wool too hard, because you might hurt yourself and you might end up losing your hair. So you need to be gentle when it comes to your hair, otherwise guys, you end up losing your hair. And that is not the point of us of doing all these hairstyles. They don't have to be painful. You have to look good, but your hair shouldn't hurt. So yeah, so I feel like we need to be very gentle when it comes to our hair, because pulling your hair hard and always doing hairstyles that are painful, you lose your hair bits by bits. You might not say it, but you are losing your hair. So be gentle with your hair. Don't be too hard when it comes to your hair. Take good care of your hair. And yeah, I don't want to be seeing you guys losing your hairlines because you do your hair too tight. So yeah, be gentle when it comes to your hair, pretty please. And then when you are done securing the bun, you want to go ahead and cut the wool, and then we do the last part of the hairstyle. We do the back. So normally other people at the back, they would do cornrows and crochet their hair. I was like, no, let me make it easy for you guys. You just do a bun and then apply your styling gel, and then you will just attach the hair on the bun. You won't have to crochet the hair. This one saves time than when you actually braid your hair and then crochet the hair onto your hair. So yeah, you want to go ahead and take the last bundle and mix it with the other pieces that were left from the other bundle, like that. You want to go ahead and take your ribbon and put them together, join them together using a ribbon. Make sure that they are equal on both sides, and then you then take your ribbon and then tie your hair like that. It is as simple as that, you guys. It is not a difficult hairstyle. This one you can definitely do yourself at home. I didn't have any challenges when I was doing this one, so it's one simple hairstyle that you can do at home. So yeah, guys, you want to go ahead and tie the hair on and attach the hair on your bun like that. And then after doing so, you want to go ahead and take your wool and a needle to secure it extra so that it doesn't fall or do any weird things. So you just sew it in using your wool and your needle. So yeah, guys, it's as simple as that. You don't have to have experience of how to braid or how to crochet hair. It's a very simple hairstyle to do at home. So yeah, guys, you go ahead and try this hairstyle. If you do, please tag me on Instagram. I'll definitely repost on TikTok and also on Facebook. Yeah, those are my 3 social media platforms. I'm going to put them down in my description box. Yeah, tag me so that I can see how you guys are doing. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for always supporting me, for always coming back to watch my content and engaging on the comment section, liking, following me on other social media platforms. Thank you so much, guys. Look at how cute I look. That was a laugh of happiness. That was a laughter of happiness, you guys. I was so excited. Have you ever done a hairstyle for the first time and it came out exactly the way you wanted it to come out? That's amazing. That is very exciting. So I was happy. That's why I was laughing like that. So yeah, guys, look at how cute I look. Oh my goodness, I love myself. I love this hairstyle. This hairstyle suits me so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also personalize the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. Yeah, don't forget to always look stunning, look cute, and don't forget to respect others. Don't forget to pray. Don't forget to read the word of God. Don't forget to tag me on all social media platforms when you try any of my hairstyles. You guys, I love you so much. Stay blessed. I love this hairstyle. Look at how cute. Look at the effect. Look at the effect of the styling gel. You would swear that I don't have any hair product on. It's just my hair and I've just tied it. Look at me doing the happy dance. I was so happy, you guys. It's my first time doing a hairstyle with a kinky hair. So yeah, I'm so happy.